Kelly. I'm the assistant manager here at Sun Retreats Lancaster County. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Let's go on a tour. This is our favorite amenity here, our pool area, which also includes a hot tub. We also have a basketball court, a shuffleboard court, miniature golf, an arcade, and an entertainment hall and gazebo where we host activities and events. Our resort is pet friendly, and here we are at our dog park where you can bring your furry friends to play. We want to make sure you have everything you need while you're here, including 4 comfort stations with showers, 2 laundry rooms, and a general store that has everything you need from RV supplies to groceries to snacks. Here is our Getaway Café right next to our large playground. Our cafe offers a lot of different menu options. It's just another reason to not have to leave the resort while you're here. This is our lake. We stock it every year with trout, and we offer fishing and paddleboat rentals. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our sales representative, Kim.
Thank you, Kelly. If there's anything I can do to help, please come see me in the Welcome Center.
Outside of our resort, the local attraction is Shady Maple, which offers the largest buffet, a farm market, and miscellaneous shops. Here at our resort, we offer multiple ways to stay with us short-term, including full hookup RV sites, tent sites, and rentals, including some unique rentals like the teepee, the caboose, the covered wagon, and the yurt. In addition to short-term, we also offer long-term stays here. Being a seasonal with us means you can stay here from April 1st to October 31st, but you can also leave your camper here all year round for winter storage. Additionally, you get to be involved in all the activities and amenities that we offer here. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Lancaster County, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon!